come, PC Mohan sir has come, and with all their good wishes and blessings, I am very sure that lab grown, which is the domestic pride and India's pride, will be taken to international levels. And I am also the director of the Lab Grown Promotion Council of India, which is the Ministry of Commerce initiative, and the whole government is with us, and they want this industry to grow and go to international level. This is definitely going to be the second software revolution which India is going to produce, and I am very sure, and I am happy to announce that last year our turnover is more than $3 billion, and our estimates, we have done estimates that in 2027 our turnover will be more than $10 billion, and we will be growing, and definitely this will have its own place, and naturally it's going to be also there, and lab is also going to be there, and I'm very proud that everything is done in India. The seed is produced in India, the rough diamond is produced in India. Cut and polish, anyway, we are very world renowned. We produce 95% of the world diamond we cut and polish. So we do it in India, and we also produce beautiful jewelry in India. So I am very sure this industry is going to take India to next level.
ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಗಿಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ನ ಡೈಮಂಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ 10% ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಟ್ರೀ ಡಯಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಭ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ರವರು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಶಸ್ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್. And andre lab grown diamonds, I've always been keen and very curious as to what it is. So I've done my research, and real diamonds go, lab grown diamonds go. I think it is cost effective, but other than that, cut, clarity, carats and the setting, there is absolutely no difference. And then I placed a real diamond ಮತ್ತೆ lab grown diamond ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಇಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. And the lab grown diamond shines more sometimes, and it looks beautiful, and especially daily wear anta bannaga, every woman has that, want to wear tennis bracelets and all of that, and everyday pieces. When we go to lab grown diamonds, it's very affordable. Other than that, as a bride, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ದೇ ಟು ಗೋ ರೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೊಸೆಷನ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ರಿನ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ನೌ ವಿತ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರೈಡಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಟ್ Tata has come up with, I think they can own a piece of diamond jewelry for their wedding and keep it with them, and then they also come with certifications and authentications. So you can come back to the store and then exchange it and get anything else that you want. So I think lab grown diamond is the way to go. So congratulations to the entire team.